Alright, so Arsha, here is version 1 of your Elsa with the snowflake on her forehead in electric diamonds. And here is version 2 with another snowflake in electric diamonds aside from the one on her forehead. So now we've got 2 snowflakes in electric diamonds. And here we've got version 3 with a whole lot more of electric diamonds, and that is including the bottom giant snowflake towards her chin, all glistening in electric diamonds, together with the other 2 snowflakes that we did for version 1 and version 2. So combined, this is special treatment version 3 for Elsa.